In this video, we will discuss making negations using the verb to do. Making negations in English is different from the way you make negations in Dutch. At least for most verbs, the verb to be works in the exact same way. Let's recap on the use of to be first. Ayub is the best student in class. To turn this into a negation, all we have to do is add not to the verb. Ayub is not the best student in class. In Dutch, this works in the same way. We have also discussed have got. Let's have a look at an example. I have got a new smartwatch. To turn this into a negation, we also add not to the first verb. This is the same as in Dutch. If there are two verbs in the sentence, the first verb, which we call the auxiliary verb, gets an addition of not to create a negation. I have not got a new smartwatch. Now let's have a look at other sentences with single verbs in it. We walk to school every day. In this sentence, there is just one verb, walk. In order to make a correct negation in English, we need to add an auxiliary. This is very different from Dutch. The auxiliary to do is used a lot to create negations. Put don't or doesn't before the verb. We don't walk to school every day. Don't is a contraction of two words, do and not. Mind the apostrophe. It replaces the letter O of the word not. Remember, for he, she, and it, we use does instead of do. Helen walks to school every day. Helen doesn't walk to school every day. Notice how the S in the word walks disappears. This is the same as with questions using does. There are other auxiliaries you can use too. But for now, study and practice making negations using do and does. You can watch this video at any time.